Here we go again. Another way to finish a seed bead bracelet. This one has been peyote stitched, so it does not have a smooth end. Peyote stitched with a small number 11 delica. And this one, I'm going to use a ribbon end. This is pretty easy too. All you do is put on a little glue, slip on the ribbon end, and clamp it shut. Being careful not to crush your seed beads. Let me show you how that's done. I'm going to use a little bit of E6000. It's a great gap filling glue. I'll squish a little bit into my clasp. Slide it over the end of this project, just like that. And then, using my pliers, I will just squeeze it closed. Pretty gently. You heard that little seed bead crush? I did crush a seed bead, and that's okay, because it's not going to show, and it's where the E6000 will pick up the slack on that for you. Not to worry about that one little seed bead. And that's another way to finish a seed bead bracelet.